All right, another short video on our fuel injection conversion kits. So this setup is for a 71 through 73 Mustang. A little bit different from the earlier years, 64 through 68. Fuel tank is different. The fitting locations are different location. It uses a phantom fuel pump, so we'll talk about that in a moment. It comes with all the necessary fittings as far as the AN fittings, the compression fittings, the harnesses, the handheld, the throttle body, Sniper EFI kit, the fuel filter, and then all your fuel lines here for the feed and return. So we go in a little closer here. This fuel tank is very well built. It's factory location, everything. So you're just gonna mount this in. It's all powder coated, so it's gonna withstand the rust. The feed and return, same location as factory. Over here is where the fuel gets fed into the tank. And we talked about the fuel pump itself. This is the Phantom 2 pump, well engineered. Keeps the fuel where it needs to go, so you don't have to worry about it shifting and no cavitation issues. This pump is about 200 liters per hour, so good up to about 600 horsepower. They also offer one with, I think it's 340 liters per hour, which will handle 1,000 plus horsepower. All right, so just go over here. We could see some of these fittings, so that's going to be included with the kit. All different shapes and sizes, so a little more universal. You might even have more than you even need. And then in here is going to be the handheld itself for the throttle body, the Sniper EFI. We've talked about this in the past. All the built-in sensors, the idle air control, the fuel pressure sensor, map sensor. You have fittings here for the feed and return. It has the linkage for same as a Holley carburetor. You can see in the bottom here, very well built. We've had very good luck with these. Over here is the filter itself, the remaining wiring, and then the fuel lines, a 3/8 fuel line, which will be enough here for the feed and the return. So all available through tdmotion.com.